In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace wiper blades on a Nissan NV2500. They are located at the bottom of the windshield. Your windshield wiper arm is spring-loaded. It will stay up by itself. You have a clip that you want to squeeze these two tabs together and pull up. Once you remove your cover, take your windshield wiper, pull it straight towards the windshield, and remove it from the arm. Your new windshield wiper has a groove for this hook to lay into. Push your windshield wiper out towards the front of the vehicle and wait for the click. Once your wiper is installed on your arm, you want to slide off your plastic cover and discard it. Now you can reinstall your wiper arm back onto your windshield. Now do the same for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.